Hi guys, new project manager often make the same mistake. Let me share the most common ones. Number one is unclear requirement. So many new project managers start work without fully understanding what needs to be delivered. They don't ask enough questions and later the client says, this is not what I wanted. Always confirm requirement before starting. Number two, the poor communication. New PMs think everything is fine, so they don't share update, but stakeholder had surprises. So guys, even you have a small updates, please share with them and build the trust. Number three, ignoring risk. Every project has a risk, even if we don't see them yet. If we don't talk about them early, they become bigger problem later. So discuss with the team. Avoid these mistakes and your project will run smoother. Follow to color for simple real world project management tips. Thank you very much.